Hello and welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the factory method design pattern in Java. The factory method is a powerful creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating objects, while allowing subclasses to determine the type of objects that will be created. In this video, we'll explore the principles behind the factory method, its applications, and a practical Java example to illustrate its implementation. The factory method is part of the creational design patterns family. It offers an elegant solution to creating objects without specifying their exact class. This pattern defines an interface or an abstract class for creating objects, but the actual instantiation is left to its subclasses. The factory method pattern consists of several key components. The product interface. This is an interface or an abstract class that defines the methods that concrete products must implement. Concrete products. These are the specific product classes that implement the product interface. The creator interface. This interface or abstract class declares the factory method, which returns an object of the product type. Concrete creators. These are the concrete classes that implement the factory method to create specific product instances. In our Java example, we've set up a factory method pattern scenario. We define a product interface with a create method that concrete products must implement. We have product A and product B classes as specific product implementations. The creator abstract class declares the factory method dot. Concrete creators, creator A and creator B, override factory method to return specific product instances. To create an object, you use the factory method of the concrete creator. This approach allows for object creation without specifying the exact class, promoting flexibility and maintainability. As powerful as the factory method pattern is, it's not without its challenges. Here are some common pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Complex hierarchy. As your system grows, the hierarchy of creators and products can become complex. Be cautious not to create overly intricate structures. 2. Violation of single responsibility principle. Be mindful of keeping the creator classes focused on creating objects and not burdening them with unrelated responsibilities. 3. Deciding which creator to use. It might not always be obvious which creator to use in your application. Striking the right balance between flexibility and simplicity is key. 4. Conformance to interfaces. Ensure that concrete products conform to the defined interfaces or abstract classes. Mismatches can lead to errors. The factory method design pattern in Java is a versatile and indispensable tool for object creation, while promoting flexibility and maintainability. By understanding its principles and being aware of potential pitfalls, you can leverage this pattern effectively in your software projects. In our future videos, we'll continue exploring more design patterns to enrich your software design skills. If you found this video enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe to AnbuZ HobbieZ for more educational content. Thank you for being part of our learning journey.